Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's video, we're going to see pure hand-woven Kanchi cotton saris and Coimbatore cotton saris. All the saris that I'm going to show you today are 100 count pure cotton by cotton saris. This time we've got some very new and classic designs in Kanchi cottons. We've got borderless styles, short thread woven borders in very classy and elegant color combinations. We've also got some bright and pretty colors in embossed pattern in Coimbatore cotton saris. Let's get started. We offer free domestic shipping on all orders above rupees 2000. We do international shipping as well. We charge about 990 rupees for the first sari and rupees 300 for every additional sari. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available in the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. The Sugar Rush sale is on. You get flat 5% discount across the website. The same discount is also available in both our stores in T Nagar, Chennai and Malleshwaram in Bangalore. You can also walk into our store to look at the collection and avail the discount. We are releasing a new collection every day at 10:45 am at prashantisarees.in. A small snippet of this collection is released as a video in our YouTube channel. To stay on top of our new arrivals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or sign up with our newsletter. First one for today. Hot pink with green combination, selvage in pink along with yaris and rudrakshams traditionally woven in thread woven pattern on either sides. The body has got veldari lines woven in thread running horizontally throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in pink priced at 3,190. Mustard, a very pretty sari with contrast green thread woven borders with beautiful peacocks woven on either sides. The body has got line checks along with thread woven buttas in two colors alternating throughout the sari, 1000 butta model. That's the pallu, contrast rich thread woven pallu, traditionally woven Kanchivaram style. This has got a plain blouse in mustard, priced at 3,850. This one is a beautiful green with selvage in red on either sides, horse and peacock motifs, floral pattern woven in thread on either sides with the body having small checked pattern and buttas in between the checks. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu, very classy and elegant. This has got a plain blouse in green, priced at 3,290. Grey, a very pretty color with selvage in mustard on either sides. Yaris, peacocks, elephants woven on both sides of the borders in thread, with the body having nelly checked pattern along with mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu. This has got a plain thread woven blouse, priced at 4,290. Black and green, beautiful sari with selvage in green on either sides, borderless style with vertical thread woven pattern and geometric style running throughout the entire body. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu with tassels down. This has got a plain blouse, priced at 3,920. Purple with pink, beautiful color combination with contrast plain borders along with paisleys, temples and peacocks woven in thread on both sides. The body has got very pretty peacock and paisley thread woven pattern running throughout the sari in two color thread weaving. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu, very classy and elegant. This has got a running blouse, priced at 3,050. Coffee brown and magenta, one more beautiful sari with rich thread woven borders on either sides, checked pattern along with small thread woven buttas running along the entire body, 1000 butta model. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu. This has got a plain blouse in coffee brown, priced at 3,990. A very different and rich Kanchi cotton. This has got Ganga Jamuna borders on either sides with Rudraksham zari woven pattern on both sides of the borders. The middle portion of the sari has got very intricately woven Varna Singaram pattern running along the entire body in thread. That's the pallu, thread and zari woven pallu. This has got a running blouse in the same style, priced at 4,850. Peacock blue, a lovely color with contrast plain borders, beautiful yaris, paisleys and peacocks woven on both sides of the borders in thread, with the body having small thread woven buttas running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu. This has got a running blouse, priced at 3,050. Purple with green, one more pretty color with thread woven pattern on both sides of the borders, vertical geometric thread weaving running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu. This has got a running blouse in purple, priced at 4,200. Red with green and mustard, a very pretty sari with Ganga Jamuna borders on either sides, Mail Chakram buttas woven in thread running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu. This has got a running blouse, priced at 3,050. Yellow and pink, a very pretty sari with paisley and peacock thread woven borders on either sides, checked pattern along with floral thread woven buttas in two colors alternating throughout the body. A rich thread woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain running blouse, priced at 3,850. Pink, one more beautiful sari with short thread woven geometric borders on either sides. The body has got small thread buttas, very classy and elegant, running throughout the body. That's the pallu with Bonkai Orissa design, very pretty. Plain blouse in pink, priced at 3,200. Beige and teal, classy color with rich thread woven borders. This has got beautiful peacocks, paisleys running on both sides of the borders, with the body having simple checked pattern along with Rudraksham, floral and peacock buttas alternating in between the checks. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu, and a plain running blouse in beige, priced at 3,100. Purple, a very pretty sari with traditionally woven retapet borders on either sides in thread. The body has got small checked pattern in two color thread weaving running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu, and a plain running blouse, priced at 3,100. Peacock blue and black, a stunning color combination with Mail Chakram buttas woven in thread on both sides of the borders, selvage in black with the body having small deer motifs woven in thread running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu, and this has got a running blouse, priced at 3,050. Red, bright and beautiful color with retapet borders on either sides, elephants, temples and rudrakshams woven in thread on both sides of the borders, with the body having checked pattern along with coin buttas in two colors alternating throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu in Kanchivaram style, and a plain blouse in red, priced at 3,990. Coffee brown with green and red Ganga Jamuna borders in retapet style on either sides, with the body having checked pattern along with Mail Chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. That's the pallu, very classy, simple zari lines along the pallu. This has got a plain blouse in coffee brown, priced at 3,990. Grey, another classic color with thread woven pattern on both sides of the borders, elephants and peacocks woven on both sides, with the body having small peacock motifs woven in two color thread weaving running throughout the sari. This has got a very classy and intricately woven pallu. Two sides of the pallu has got beautiful peacocks woven in thread along with a rich thread woven pattern falling towards the bottom part of the pallu. This has got a plain running blouse in grey, priced at 3,990. Mehendi green, another pretty color with traditionally woven Kanchivaram borders on either sides, yardis and rudrakshams woven in thread on both sides of the borders, with the body having horizontal lines of thread work running throughout the sari, Veldari pattern. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu, and a running blouse in mehendi green, priced at 3,190. Peachish orange and green, one more pretty sari with selvage in green on either sides, thread woven Kanchivaram borders along with checked pattern in the body, small thread woven buttas running in between the checks. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu. This has got a running blouse in orange, priced at 3,990. With this, we'll move on to Coimbatore cottons. The first one, it's a beautiful mehndi green with navy blue combination, thread woven buttas on either sides with self-embossed pattern in paisley design running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich contrast thread woven pallu and a running blouse, priced at 990. Navy blue and magenta, one more pretty sari with floral thread woven borders in contrast to the body color in magenta on either sides. Self-embossed floral pattern running throughout the sari. This has got a contrast rich thread woven pallu in magenta, that's the pallu, and a running blouse in navy blue, priced at 990. Dual shade of green and blue with thread woven borders, small Mail Chakram buttas running on both sides of the borders with the body having paisley and floral self-embossed pattern running throughout the body. That's the pallu, thread woven pallu. This has got a contrast double color blouse, priced at 1,050. Pink and blue, one more beautiful sari with thread woven contrast borders on either sides, self-embossed lotus motifs running along the entire body. That's the pallu, contrast thread woven pallu. This has got a running blouse, priced at 990. Pista green and tomato pink, a very pretty and classy color combination with thread woven borders in geometric and floral pattern on either sides. The body has got self-embossed geometric weaves. That's the pallu, contrast rich thread woven pallu. This has got a running blouse, priced at 990. Blue and peacock green, bright and beautiful color combination with geometric contrast thread woven borders on either sides. Floral self-embossed pattern running throughout the sari with a contrast rich thread woven pallu, that's the pallu. This has got a contrast self-embossed blouse in peacock green, priced at 1,050. Orange, bright and beautiful color with floral thread woven borders on either sides, self-embossed paisleys and florals running throughout the body. That's the pallu. In beige, beautiful and intricately woven thread pattern along the pallu. This has got a running blouse in orange, priced at 990. Coffee brown and magenta, one more pretty color combination with floral thread woven borders, self-embossed floral pattern running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich thread woven pallu in magenta. This has got a running blouse, priced at 990. Cream and maroon, the last one for today with floral thread woven borders on either sides, self-embossed pattern running along the entire body. That's the pallu, thread woven pallu in maroon. This has got a running blouse in cream, priced at 990. All the saris that I had shown you today are available in our website. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.